Do you play online game from level 1? I can tell you. Try to start from the hardest level. If you try the top one, you will die soon in seconds. That's a sure thing. But next time, and the next time of the next time, the KO will come later and later. You will know the ambush before it hits. Do you face difficulties in life or job? It's the same thing. Everything is hard because you chose the hardest way to go. After this torture, you will become a real Iron Man. Life drives you? No, you are on the top way. You know you are gonna ride your life as a wild horse soon.